The Department of Foreign Affairs will pursue obtaining the deposition of Mary Jane Veloso despite criticisms from the Public Attorney's Office. Nel Maribojoc will tell us why.
The decision of Nueva Ecia's Regional Trial Court to secure Mary Jane Veloso's testimony in Indonesia may declare unconstitutional. This is the reaction of Public Attorney's Office after the reported trip of Judge Anarica Reyes to Indonesia to get the testimony of Veloso in support of the illegal recruitment case against Maria Cristina Serio and Julius Lacanilaw.
Kung si MJ lang po ang magte-testify sa harap ng judge natin na pupunta di umano doon at ang konsul, ay mapabiolate po ang karapatan ng right to confront o right of confrontation.
Acosta invoked the Section 14 of Bill of Rights that states it is the right of the accused to meet the witness face-to-face. Pau insists that the proceeding of getting Veloso's testimony should be in the Philippines. But according to the Department of Foreign Affairs, the deposition proceedings is not against our laws.
Yun ang necessary na gagawin natin para umusad yung kaso na isa ng palaban din sa mga alleged recruiter. Kailangan makuha yung testimony ni Mary Jane at gagawin yan through deposition. Dahil nasa loob siya ng kulungan, pupunta doon yung mga consul natin galing sa embassy sa Jakarta.
Jose also said the proceedings will be carried out as soon as possible. To date, the Nueva Ecija Regional Trial Court has ongoing hearings for estafa and human trafficking cases against Veloso's recruiters. Nel Maribojoc, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.